Hi guys, this is Liwi Textile Company from Shaoxing. Today shows the wide range of uses and processes of mesh fabrics. This fabric is Korean elastic mesh, used for close-fitting undergarments and unders. It's very soft, smooth, skin-friendly, and slightly transparent feeling. The fabric hangs very well. Four-way elastic. Very good quality. We also use it for printing processing. Good elastic. We can provide printing design for you to choose. Also accept you to provide design for us to customize. Okay, follow our channel to learn more about textile products and production process.